Hey everybody, Mr. Schermeyer here. I'm going to quick show you how to download a book or an audiobook through Seattle Public Libraries. Go, of course, to Seattle Public Schools' website, seattleschools.org. Go to the Student pull-down tab and go to Student Portal. Now this is going to log me into the teacher version of this, but the student version of this is going to look pretty similar. Go over to the search bar. This is the easiest way to do it. Type in Libby, L-I-B-B-Y. This is the app that Seattle Public Libraries uses to download and borrow things. Now, as you can see, I've already borrowed Parable of the Sower in audiobook format, but I'm going to actually show you how to do this. Now, the first time you use this, it's going to ask you for your library card. If you have a library card, you're just going to type in the numbers on that library card. If you don't have a library card, it lets you sign up for one using your phone number. Now, I did it with my phone number, which is from Virginia, of all places, so you can do it with your phone number. It doesn't matter where that is from. Once you've done that, which should take no more than a couple of minutes, go ahead and click on Library, and click on the search bar. Let's do Parable of the Sower. Boom. Okay, so here are some options for you. You have the book that you can borrow. You have the audiobook that you can borrow. And here you also have a visual novel that you can borrow. Now, we're interested in the audiobook right now, so let's go ahead and click on that. Now, this says I've already borrowed it, but here it would say borrow. So if you have not borrowed it yet, it would say borrow. There's 145 of these available, so there's plenty of them available. Once you click on that, you can listen to it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what happens. So it pulls it up, loads up the audio, and the nice thing is you can go back to chapters. So you can pick which chapter you want to listen to, and it will load that up for you. And you can listen to it.
Presents an unabridged recording.
Take care, and hopefully this helps out.